Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's go ahead and do a couple of quick and easy fire making techniques that you've seen before. Let's do a fire roll with these ashes that we made yesterday. They are good and white. Those are the kind of ashes that you want to use. Another one that you've recently seen is me getting leaves out of the yard. The leathery oak leaves we'll go ahead and put in the stove, and then I'll find some of these kudzu leaves that have degraded to where they're sort of lacy. We'll go ahead and ferro rod ignite those, put them on top of the leathery leaves. And I want to do a third one, but I hadn't figured out what it is yet. So let's get started. Let's try to do this one without any edits. Now this has some ashes in it, but those are pine needle ashes. They're dark. They will work, but not as well as these ashes. I smell it. We'll roll it some more. Nothing works as well as this constant airflow. Nothing. Leathery oak leaves. Let me get over here. And lacy kudzu leaves. Bayite keyring ferro rod. Now I still haven't figured out what I want to do for my third. Let's just go ahead and use some of that char cloth that we made yesterday, and we'll end it off with that. Hold on. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Have you ever tried to get 3 stoves burning with good flames simultaneously? It is very difficult. Let's try it again. We'll catch you on the next one.